What are smart security devices and voice assistants?
The smart security devices include locks, cameras, and alarms that connect to your home's internet. Voice assistants, like Alexa, Google Home, and Siri, let you control devices using spoken commands. Integrating these technologies adds convenience, allowing you to check your camera, lock doors, or set your alarm with your voice or app. This guide explains how to connect them for seamless, secure control.
Which devices are compatible with voice assistants?
Most leading brands, such as August, Ring, Arlo, and Yale, offer smart locks, cameras, and alarms that work with Alexa, Google Home, and Siri. Look for devices labeled Works with Alexa, Google Assistant Compatible, or Supports HomeKit. Check the product specifications or packaging to ensure compatibility. Using official apps from each voice assistant can also help you verify and complete the setup process.
How do I connect my smart lock to Alexa, Google Home, or Siri?
First, connect your smart lock to your home Wi-Fi using the manufacturer's app. Then, open your voice assistant's app, such as Amazon Alexa, Google Home, or Apple Home, and add the device following the menu prompts. You may need to link accounts or enable a specific skill or integration. Once added, you can lock or unlock doors by voice or through your assistant's app.
What steps are needed for integrating cameras and alarms?
Install your security cameras or alarms as directed, ensuring they're connected to Wi-Fi. Open the Alexa, Google Home, or Apple Home app and search for the compatible device or brand. Enter your login if prompted and authorize access. Once connected, you can use voice commands to show camera feeds, arm or disarm alarms, and receive alerts through your assistant.
Are there security considerations when using voice assistants?
Yes, secure your accounts with strong, unique passwords and enable two-factor authentication when available. Review device privacy settings and limit voice commands that provide sensitive information. Be mindful of sharing access with others and regularly update your device firmware. These practices help keep your smart home setup both convenient and secure against potential threats.
What are common troubleshooting tips?
If you have connection issues, restart your devices and Wi-Fi router. Make sure your smart security device, voice assistant, and mobile apps are up to date. Double-check account linking and permissions in your assistant's app. Reinstalling the device or resetting to factory settings can also resolve persistent problems. If you're still having trouble, consult the manufacturer's support resources for detailed troubleshooting.